Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom rock the boat, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to upset a calm situation and cause trouble. The company wanted to make an adjustment in the office and start fresh with a new manager. After he was hired, it took him a while to settle in. I don't want to rock the boat just yet, so I'll keep my new ideas to a minimum, at least for a few weeks. Here are some further examples, firstly in social situations. After the children broke their mother's favorite vase, none of them spoke for the rest of the day out of fear. I think we should all stay quiet for the day, in case we rock the boat and get Mom angry again. A woman witnessed her friend's boyfriend with another woman and told her friend what she saw. I don't want to rock the boat, but you should know the truth. John is cheating on you. A woman promised her husband that she would do her best to get on with his mother after they fell out some months ago. I know I promised not to rock the boat, but if she speaks badly to me, I'll have to say something. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The two companies are nearing the end of their negotiations. Both CEOs sit down to finalize things. I want to ensure nobody rocks the boat with this deal. Let's finish up negotiations ourselves. A woman asks her boyfriend if he wants to go on a sunny holiday next month, but her boyfriend has just started a new job. I'd love to, but I really don't want to rock the boat when I've just started. After sitting down with other politicians, they agreed that further taxes might be needed. I don't think we should release this information and rock the boat, not when we're this close to election day. Where did you hear the expression, rock the boat? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.